Hello. Welcome to Module 6, Ethical Considerations of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we will go over Section 1, Machine Ethics. In this video, you will learn how developers program computer systems, including AI tools, to emulate human ethical decision-making. The phrase, the singularity, has been popularized in science fiction as the time when machine intelligence surpasses human intelligence. According to this scenario, once this is achieved, machines will be able to analyze, understand, and enhance their own designs, setting in motion an ever-accelerating cycle of recursive self-improvement. The term singularity is borrowed from the field of physics in which a physical singularity, such as a black hole, has an event horizon, beyond which there is no known data. The technological singularity signifies a break in the course of human history, with an event horizon and a complete lack of information. Despite any fictional themes and uncertain predictions, many are concerned that AI may eventually cause intentional harm to humans. Truly intelligent machines that are capable of independently making ethical decisions is still a far-off possibility. Computers may possess extensive knowledge on specific topics, this is narrow AI, but they lack common-sense wisdom, general AI. Machines cannot yet follow an ideal ethical principle or set of principles, either of which guides humans in taking proper courses of action. Ethics must be made computable so agents have a definite procedure from which to navigate ethical dilemmas. Furthermore, the ethical component of machines that intersect with humans must be transparent. More differentiates between that implicit ethical agent and that explicit ethical agent. Machines that are implicit ethical agents possess software that indirectly supports ethical behaviors or avoids unethical actions. Possessing vast stores of information does not guarantee ethical behavior. While turning to the branch of philosophy focusing on ethics brings some insight, ethics is an evolving field that has never been completely codified. Additionally, machines are constrained in their behavior by their creator's personal sense of ethical principles. Obviously, while human beings may be taught ethical principles, they are typically not perfect models of ethical behavior in practice. Without the ability to comprehend even foundational moral issues, computers are unable to consider complex ethical decisions. Machines that are explicit ethical agents are theoretically able to calculate the proper course of action in ethical dilemmas by understanding and applying acceptable ethical maxims. The goal of those working in machine ethics is to create an explicit ethical agent. According to Anderson and Anderson, an explicit ethical agent is able to explain and justify correct ethical judgments by appealing to an ethical principle. Philosopher Immanuel Kant made a similar distinction when he underscored the difference between an individual who strictly acts in accordance with duty without considering any ethical significance and another who deliberately abides by an ethical principle. Human beings are considered full ethical agents when in control of their mental faculties. As full ethical agents, human beings can be regarded as having self-awareness, a sense of purpose, and free will. Hit pause and reflect for a minute on whether machines can obtain these same attributes. While humans may occasionally engage in unethical behavior as a survival mechanism, researchers in machine ethics posit that intelligent, autonomous machines could be more diligent and faithful in observing ethics. However, there are many ethical questions on the use of AI, including its effect on the job market, bias and discrimination, and data privacy. Key ethical concepts include considering the values of different stakeholders in technology, imagining future AI and its implications, contemplating AI representations in popular media and the news, discussing and debating key ethical questions, reflecting on the societal consequences to algorithmic decision-making, critically examining algorithms and their connections to fairness, transparency, and accountability, and pondering copyright, attribution, plagiarism, and authorship. Next time. In the next video, we'll talk about the ethical considerations that humans will need to make in this current technological age. Until then, thank you for your time. If you want to learn more about the subjects we have discussed, here are the sources used for this section.